Hi, my dear friends. Enjoy your stay on my station again. I'd like to talk to you today about something very important. It's about being able to speak English easily and with confidence. A lot of people wish they could speak English perfectly. A lot of people also want to be sure of themselves when they talk, but sometimes they get scared. There are times when they worry that they will mess up. They stop training because they are afraid. But remember that the real keys to success are hard work and faith. This movie will show you 12 powerful tips that will help you speak English better and with more confidence. These tips are easy to follow and useful. They are easy for anyone to follow. You will see big changes in your English if you practice them one at a time. Let's start. First, have faith in yourself. The first tip is easy to follow but very helpful. You need to have faith in yourself. You will always feel scared if you keep telling yourself, "I can't speak English." But if you tell yourself, "I can talk, I'm learning, and I will get better," your mind gets stronger. Having confidence starts in your mind. Every day, tell yourself, "I can do this." It's okay to make mistakes. It's normal to make mistakes when you are learning, so trust yourself all the time. People will believe in you if you believe in yourself. A confident person always has a strong mind. Tip number 2, do it every day. Do it every day is the second tip. It's very important to practice every day if you want to become skilled. It doesn't happen overnight. Over time, it grows slowly. Reading English books can help you get better. You can use English when you talk to yourself. It's possible to watch and hear English movies and talks. It's helpful to practice for at least 10 minutes every day. You will become more adept the more you keep at it. Third, speak slowly and clearly. Keep your voice clear and slow down 3 times. A lot of people who are learning try to talk really quickly. It's not true that speaking quickly means you can speak very well. When you talk too fast, you mess up more often. You might also feel more tense. So speak slowly at first. Pay attention to how you say things. More important than speed is that people understand what you're saying. Over time, your fluency will get better on its own. It also gives your brain time to pick out the right words when you talk slowly. When you speak clearly, your confidence grows on its own. Tip number 4, pay close attention. The fourth tip is to pay attention. To be a good speaker, you must first be able to listen well. You pick up new words when you listen to English. You also hear the right way to say words. You understand how people put words together. You can watch and listen to English news shows. You can listen to English music. You can watch videos or movies in English. But don't just sit there and listen. Try to say the words again. Try to copy how they speak and how they beat their words. This will help you feel more confident. Tip 5. Start by learning simple words. Fifth, start with easy words. At first, don't try to use words that are hard to understand. Clear, short words are a good place to start. One thing I like to do is read books, or every day I go to school. It makes you feel better to use simple words. You can write longer lines later. Your language skills will get better over time. Remember that even people who speak English as their first language use simple words. It's easy and effective to communicate when you use simple words. Your fluency will improve faster if your words are shorter. Sixth tip, record yourself talking. The sixth tip is a good one. You might want to record your English voice. After that, listen to the tape. You might find some mistakes. Maybe your accent isn't clear. It's possible that you stop too much when you talk. You can see what needs to be fixed when you listen properly. Do not feel bad about yourself. Do not use this recording for anything else. You will feel more sure of yourself as you record and listen more. Seventh tip. Look at yourself in the mirror. Seventh tip. Practice in front of a mirror. Talk in English while looking at yourself in the mirror. Take a good look at your eyes. This will make you feel better about yourself. It's kind of like talking to someone else. It might feel a little strange at first, but it will get better over time. Practicing in front of a mirror also helps your body language. Being sure of yourself is also shown through your body language. You're proud of your English when you watch yourself talk. This habit makes you less shy over time. 8th tip. Use English when you think. Start to think in English as the 8th tip. A lot of language teachers think in their first language first. After that, they write down what they think in English. It takes longer to do this. Also, it makes speaking worse. Try to think straight in English. Say you see a chair, you should think this is a chair. When you're hungry, tell yourself, I am hungry. These little habits make your brain stronger. Over time, your English mind gets faster. You will soon be able to speak easily without translating. Tip 9. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. This 9th tip is very important. You should never be afraid of messing up. There are times when even native speakers make mistakes. Sometimes you have to make mistakes in order to learn. You will not speak if you are scared. You will talk more often, though, if you are brave. And you get better at speaking the more you do it. So be proud of the mistakes you've made. You can learn something from every mistake. When fear goes away, confidence grows. Errors are not signs of weakness. They teach us. With each mistake, you get better at speaking. Tip 10. Keep an upbeat attitude and keep going. As a 10th tip, remember to stay upbeat and driven. It takes a long time to learn English. You may feel like you're making slow progress sometimes. You might feel stuck sometimes. Don't give up, though. Stay inspired at all times. Watch English movies that make you feel good. Enjoy reading stories that make you feel good. Honor small accomplishments. You might have learned a new word today. That's still progress. An upbeat attitude leads to confidence and ease of speech. Tip 11. Talk to other people. The 11th tip is to talk to other people as much as you can. Talk to people you know who are also learning English. You can also join groups that meet online. You learn how real interactions work when you talk to other people. You learn how to act quickly. You might feel shy at first, but as you practice, you'll feel better. One of the fastest ways to improve your skills is to talk to other people. 12. Take your time with yourself. This is the 12th tip. Be patient. It takes time to learn English. Wait for results to show up right away. You will feel sure of yourself some days. You might feel slow some days. This happens to everyone as they learn. Give yourself some time. Learn new things and keep trying. Every day's small steps add up to big wins in the long run. Last words. Well, friends, those are the 12 strong tips to help you speak English more fluently and with more confidence. Have faith in yourself. Do it every day. Talk less quickly. Pay close attention. Make your words short. Save your voice. Use a mirror to help you. Use English. It's okay to make mistakes. Don't give up. Talk to other people. Also, give yourself some time. Should you use these tips, you will sound much better when you speak English. Your language skills will get better over time. Your confidence will grow every day. Remember that English is more than just a language. You can learn it one step at a time. Thanks for seeing this movie. Please subscribe to my channel if you liked it. Tell your friends about it too. Keep working on it, smile some more, and keep getting better with faith.